What's the meaning of block capitals? Block capitals. Block capitals.
Block capitals. Block capitals. Block capitals refer to a style of writing where all letters are written in capital letters and of the same size. This style is different from the standard way of writing, where words are written with a combination of upper and lower case letters. Block capitals are often used in situations where legibility and clarity are essential, such as on signs, labels, and forms, as they are easier to read than other styles. They can also be used for emphasis in written communication, but it's important to note that using all capital letters in online communication can come across as shouting and is generally discouraged.